See this? It's nice and smooth. Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you a simple dal recipe. Jesus the kid, new subscriber, has asked me, how do you make dal? How is it nice and creamy? So here it is. End of the video, I'm going to show you how to make sambar, popular Indian lentil recipe. If you love it, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Here I have the lentils in the pressure cooker. So this would take a couple of minutes. You could also cook it in a regular bowl, but it would take way longer. You want all the lentils to turn into a nice smooth paste. Once that is done, you can give it a nice smash and you have it ready. See this? It's nice and smooth.